Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. My name's Al Lucchino. I want to introduce you to this almost like new Alpine Green Breakout with only 836 miles. This just came in on trade at our dealership. I just want to walk you through this motorcycle. The Breakout has a traditional Fat Bob gas tank. It's got the Milwaukee 8 117 cubic inch engine, 6-speed transmission. This bike is in 836 mile condition. It has a factory warranty that runs until June of 2027. So you cannot go wrong. There is virtually no wear and tear, and this bike is under 20K. So save money over new. Buy this Breakout, Alpine Green, heavy breather air cleaner, staggered dual exhaust system. It's a soft tail, got a 240 millimeter rear tire. This is an awesome machine. Side mount license plate, streamlined gauge cluster with digital gauges for a sleek look up at the handlebar riser. We've got drag style handlebars, disc brakes, anti-lock brakes all around. This is an awesome motorcycle. So Harley-Davidson of Danbury has this 836 mile Softail Breakout for you in Alpine Green. Again, it's under 20K, not including your taxes and registration though. You got to pay the governor on that. 203-730-2453. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Come on down. Let's take this awesome Breakout for a ride and get on the Breakout that you've always wanted, because now you've got the bike in like new condition at the price that makes it very affordable for your budget. Thanks for watching.